Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download ASUS TUF Gaming A16 drivers. So first guys, open any browser, Google search box to type like that. Okay, then you can see this is asus.com laptop. This is officially website. You just click on it, then click on support. Click on driver and tool. Okay, so you can change model number also if you are using different, so you can change it. Okay, because all the driver installations process, driver download process same. Okay, scroll down, chipset, show all, AMD chipset driver, chipset, and click to download. So when you click to download, it will start downloading here and it is completed. Just open it, then yes. Okay, 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 install, next, install. So it is completed. No, and then finish it.